No time to get bored. Omnom came up with a new list of fun activities that you can do on self-quarantine. Stay at home with Omnom. Cooking. Treat your loved ones with a delicious homemade meal. Here are Omnom's favorite recipes. Bake a cake and decorate it with whipped cream. You can also eat some of it directly from the can, while no one is watching. Easter is coming soon! Coloring eggs is a great family activity. What is your favorite color? Omnom loves green. It's sweet pizza time! Yes, you have heard us right. Roll out the dough and put your favorite candies on top. Pro tip: marshmallow and chocolate go well together. If you're looking for a cozy drink, then hot chocolate or cacao is a great way to warm up. And it goes well with sweet pizza or cake. This one requires help from an adult. Melt some sugar, pour it into forms, put sticks in, pop the whole thing into the freezer, and in a couple of hours you will have your own lollipops. Now I definitely won't get bored at home. Thanks for these great ideas, Omnom.